Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Earth Day, what it is and why it is celebrated, why it matters and how can you help. Earth Day is celebrated every year on April 22nd. It's a global movement to raise awareness about the environmental issues like pollution, climate change, and deforestation. It all started in 1970 and now over 1 billion people across 190 plus countries take part. Theme of 2025 is Planet versus Plastics, highlighting the urgent need to reduce plastic pollution and protect both the environment and human health. Let me share 8 quick facts. Earth Day started in 1970 and helped spark the modern environmental movement. The founder was U.S. Senator Gaylord Nelson. The first Earth Day led to the creation of the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) in the US. Over 100 million marine animals die each year due to plastic waste. And only 9% of plastic ever produced has been recycled. Earth Day is now the largest secular observance in the world. Trees are planted around the globe on Earth Day to combat climate change. Schools and communities organize cleanups, tree planting, and educational events to celebrate. So remember, nurture the nature, green today for a better tomorrow. Reduce waste, reuse what you can, and respect the earth. Act green, go clean. Better environment, better tomorrow. So let's all do our part, reduce plastic, plant a tree, and spread awareness. And remember, every small action counts toward a greener planet. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.